The NEIGRIHMS shillong invite online application from the eligible candidates for the post of nursing officer. They reserve UR95, SC 34, ST 17, OBC 62, and EWS 23. The qualification class 10 pass SSLC, certificate in general nursing and midwife from any recognized institute or equivalent qualification for male nurse. Should be registered as a grade nurse and midwifery with a state nursing council or equivalent qualifications for male nurse. Upper age limit as on 18 October 2022 not exceeding 35 years. Pay scale entry pay 44,900 per month. How to apply? Interest and eligible candidate should apply online mode only through the NEIGRIHMS official website https://www.neigrihm.gov.in. The general information: mode of NEIGRIHMS nursing officer examination, CBT based multiple choice questions, MCQs. The final selection of the candidate for appointment will be strictly on the basics in the online written test. The last date for the online application is 8 October 2022. Issuing of online admit card to the candidate from 2nd November 2022 to 12th November 2022. Date of examination on 17th November 2022. For more detail about this job are available in the Institute official website https://www.neigrihm.gov.in.